From global domination to an uncharted future. BTS's Swim isn't just a comeback. It's a cosmic detonation, reverberating across every digital frontier. What if every frame, every whisper of Swim holds a clandestine message, a coded blueprint for their most ambitious era yet? This is the unraveling. The aquatic enigma. Water, a primal force, dominates SWIM's visual lexicon. Is it rebirth, purification, or a plunge into the unknown depths of their career? Every shade, every object, a breadcrumb trail, from vibrant palettes to cryptic artifacts. The MV's visual storytelling is a masterclass in subliminal communication. Beyond the beat, the lyrics are a prophecy. SWIM's verses echo their journey, their evolution, and a reported seismic shift in their artistic trajectory. We dissect the lyrical heart of Swim, revealing hidden commitments, whispered goodbyes, and the audacious promises of a new dawn. It's all here. The enigma of guest appearances. Lili Reinhardt's presence ignites theories of a deeper connection. Even whispers of the legendary Arirang narrative. Coincidence? Or calculated move? What future sound lurks beneath SWIM's current? Is this the birth of an entirely new sonic landscape? A bold, experimental narrative unfurling before our very eyes. This MV isn't just art. It's a declaration. A seismic shift in BTS's overall artistic direction. Forging new paths. Redefining pop culture itself. The impact is undeniable. Swim is more than a viral sensation. It's a cultural earthquake, reshaping the landscape of global entertainment. The final statement. Swim is a masterpiece, a gateway to BTS's next monumental chapter. Prepare for the ultimate deep dive. AI Trend Blueprint Primary Topic. BTS Swim Official MV Hidden Meanings and Future Theories Priority Level. Number 1 Opportunity. Score 98/100ths Market Demand Score, 95/100ths Competition Score, 90/100ths Monetization Score, 95/100ths Recommended Hook. BTS's new MV, SWIM, isn't just a song. It's a hidden message. What did you miss in their most cinematic masterpiece yet? Is this the start of their most ambitious era? Suggested title angle? BTS Swim MV. Decoding every hidden symbol and the true meaning of their new era. Why this can win. BTS's Swim MV is a global command. BTS has shattered cultural barriers, igniting a worldwide phenomenon. Now, SWIM descends. A seismic event anticipated across every digital frontier. Initiate visual decode. This isn't just a music video. It's a masterclass in cinematic language, where every frame, every color, screams a deeper narrative. Aqua Code. The relentless water motif. The submerged symbols, they're not random. They are the conduits, whispering secrets of transformation and rebirth. Lexical unlock. Beyond the beats. The lyrics are encrypted messages, echoing BTS's evolution, their reported career trajectory, and daring new frontiers. Guest protocol. The unexpected appearance of Lili Reinhardt isn't mere cameo. It's a calculated variable, hinting at narrative convergence. Arirang echoes. Is this a deeper dive into cultural roots? The Arirang whispers resonate, transforming ancient lore into a cyberpunk epic. Sonic prophecy. SWIM detonates a new acoustic paradigm. This is the blueprint for BTS's next sound. Their evolving narrative, pushing boundaries of genre itself. Artistic anomaly. This MV marks a definitive artistic shift. Swim is the gateway, unleashing their most ambitious, experimental era yet. Archive recon. Side by side. The evolution is undeniable. This isn't just an update. It's a complete system overhaul for the new era. Emotional core. Beyond the spectacle. SWIM delivers a profound artistic and emotional statement, resonating with a universal human truth. Cultural implosion. This isn't just an MV, it's a catalyst, a paradigm shift, set to redefine pop culture's landscape globally. From global phenomenon to cultural architects, BTS redefines artistry. Their new masterpiece, Swim, plunges us into an ocean of cinematic mystery. Every frame, a coded message. Every gesture, a ripple of future intent. The lyrics echo a journey of evolution, a bold step into the unknown. Unveiling their deepest fears, their grandest aspirations, a new artistic dawn. And the unexpected collaboration with Lily Reinhart, a crucial narrative anchor. Is this the bridge to Arirang, a cultural cornerstone reimagined? The MV's sonic landscape hints at a radical shift, a new narrative unfolding. This is not just an MV. It's a declaration of their bold new artistic direction. An emotional crescendo, a powerful statement poised to impact global culture. BTS, Swim, isn't just music. It's the future echoing now. BTS, a phenomenon. But Swim isn't just their latest track. It's a seismic event. Global anticipation has reached critical mass. What if this isn't just music, but a manifesto? The MV's visual alchemy is undeniable. Every frame, a coded message. From the enigmatic water motifs to a kaleidoscope of color that shifts reality. Objects aren't just props. They're digital keys. Actions aren't mere choreography. They're encrypted sequences, sparking explosive theories across the global network. Decoding the lyrics reveals a new trajectory. Each line, a data point in their evolving narrative, hinting at a radical shift in their artistic universe. This isn't just evolution, it's a quantum leap. Visual comparisons to their past eras shatter preconceptions, announcing a bold, new artistic directive. But the plot thickens. The appearance of Lily Reinhart ignites a firestorm of speculation. A pivotal link in a much grander, unfolding narrative. Is Swim woven into the legendary Arirang narrative? Fans are uncovering digital breadcrumbs, connecting ancient lore to a modern masterpiece. This MV is a blueprint. What future sound awaits? What radical narrative will BTS forge next? The answer lies in the depths of SWIM. From visual spectacle to profound artistry, SWIM redefines their entire artistic direction. A bold statement hurled into the void, echoing with ambition. Beyond the codes, beyond the theories, Swim is an emotional earthquake. It's not just a music video. It's an indelible mark on pop culture, forever changing the tide. From global anthems to cultural phenomena, BTS has redefined an era. Now, a new masterpiece emerges, SWIM. But Swim isn't just a song. It's a hidden message, veiled in their most cinematic spectacle yet. What did you miss? Every frame an aquatic masterpiece. The water motif isn't just aesthetic. It's a profound, symbolic current. Notice the shifting hues, the precise objects, The deliberate actions, each a digital breadcrumb, guiding us deeper. The lyrics resonate with their reported career evolution. A brave dive into the unknown. A testament to growth. And the guest appearances. Lily Reinhart. A poignant connection to their rumored Arirang narrative. A universe expands. Is Swim the blueprint for their future sound? A narrative weaving through innovation, pushing artistic boundaries. This isn't just a music video, it's a declaration, a bold, new artistic direction charting uncharted waters. The emotional resonance is palpable, an artistic statement reverberating across pop culture, inspiring millions. This is more than an MV, it's a launchpad. Is this the definitive start of BTS's most ambitious era yet?